Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck at an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. If you guys saw previous videos, you should know that I'm in the United States. And this experience that I'm working on here for you guys is inspired by a video that I saw on YouTube, of course, that the whole storyline was being stuck in a supermarket and, you know, could you survive the night? And I was just like, yo, this is crazy because there is food. One of the main things that you need in life is food and shelter, right? I'm like, if you're an American and you're stuck in an American supermarket, you are going to be perfectly fine. But then the thought came to me was, what if a Jamaican was stuck in a supermarket? Would they be able to find, you know, Jamaican products here in the USA? Now, of course, back in Jamaica, you know, if an American was stuck in our supermarket, they would be perfectly fine because, unfortunately, most of our supermarkets are filled with American products. Now, the next thing was, every time I'm coming to the US, I'd ask family here, like, what is it that you need? You know, and they would always say to me, I'm good. They don't want anything, especially Kurt's sisters. They always say they are good. And it was kind of mind-boggling. And I think I've eventually found out the answer, which I will do a video. The next video I'll do will be primarily on the West Indian supermarkets that are here, because Florida is heavily supportive with that. But I was just like, why is it that they mostly never need anything? And it is because clearly Jamaican products are available. So in today's video, what I'm going to be trying to do is to find, I could say, let's say 10 products. If we can find 10 products that are distinctly Jamaican, things that us as Jamaicans can definitely represent ourselves with, I'm going to try to see if I can do that. But primarily, I'm actually here because I'm going to be making a few things for the Christmas dinner what we have coming up. If you guys can guess what I'm making based on the products that I pick up in the start, then drop it in the comments. So anyway, we're going to be heading into the store. The store of choice today is going to be Publix. I believe that's the very first American supermarket I ever went to. It's either Publix or it was Winn-Dixie. All right, let's get to shopping. Let's get to shopping. First thing I'm gonna pick up is going to be sugar. I'm gonna pick up some white sugar. Back home we call it granulated sugar. So let's search for that. It's always a funny thing searching in a supermarket that you're not accustomed to find out where everything is. Yeah, sugar is definitely going to be somewhere around the tea aisle. This might be it. I see salt, I see cake mix. Here we go. Found sugar. All right, so this says granulated sugar, pure premium cane sugar. All right, this should be good. All right, so the next thing on the list is going to be pimento. I believe here they call it allspice, so we're gonna be searching for that. So pimento. Bacon. Hey, question. Where can I find allspice?
Spice?
Or pimento?
See, I think you check out for.
Aisle 4?
Yeah.
Thank you. One difference that I always notice with the stores here is that there's usually at least 3 workers like on the floor. Back home, sometimes you don't really see them as much. Sometimes you'll see people on the floor working, but they're actually companies that come to stack the shelf, so they don't really work at the store per se. All right, aisle 4, pimento. I hope I didn't walk past it while I was talking to you guys. Pimento. Where's that? drag you guys a little bit closer in for this one, right? So it's good to know, like, in different countries, things are called different things. For example, we say pimento, American says allspice. And if you don't know the right name, sometimes it's gonna really mess you up in order to like get help in the store. Now, this always gets me. Here in the US, they have black peppercorn. So it looks very much like pimento, except the skin of the berry is actually a little bit more shriveled, so it looks a little bit crumpled in. But this is not what you want at all. So, I mean, I don't think you'll ever be confused by that. But if we go a little bit further, just down here, here you have it. I found the allspice, and this is what we're looking for. Funny enough, these ones, they are big. These are big balls, bro. All right, now that we got that, the next thing we're gonna get is 2 gallons of water. I think you guys should be able to figure it out by now. What I'm going to be making for Christmas. Here we go. So I'm getting 2 gallons of water. And then another thing I wanted to get would be ginger. Unfortunately, the ginger here in the US, I'm going to show you guys that too, if you've never seen American ginger, is super big. And talking to a lady in the Jamaican store a couple days ago, she was saying, you know, it's basically just water. So it looks big and you go, yeah, the ginger is bigger, it says better quality, but it doesn't really size up to the smaller ones, because the smaller ones are just dense with all of that spicy, gingery flavor. All right, so I never knew you had Pure Life Baby. Is this like baby water? That's new for me. Anyway, 2 of these. All right, so now I'm in the alcohol aisle and I'm looking for rum. Funny enough, some states in the US, the supermarkets do not have alcohol at all. I don't know if it's a thing where they don't want the kids to be around alcohol. You know, kids come to supermarkets, so they don't want them to be influenced in any way. I do not know, or if it's just it's more expensive to get like an alcohol tax. I don't know. I don't know what the hell it is. But we're looking for rum, and in Florida here, they actually do sell alcohol in the supermarkets. I think New Jersey doesn't. For those who know, you can let me know. Yeah, definitely seeing wines. Not seeing any rum, and I think that's gonna end the list of things that I am looking for before we get to the good part. So let's go and try to see if we can find 10 things that are uniquely Jamaican or Caribbean, but for me, I know Jamaican products for sure, and see if we'll be able to survive. And then what I'll do at the end of the video as well, I'll try to get to an alcohol store and see if we can find some rum there. Yeah, I know. It would have been better if I had brought some rum up from Jamaica. It would be cheaper, I suppose, but yeah, let's see. All right, so we are at the start of the store now, and we're gonna, all right, this is funny. All right, the first thing that I've seen here is, it says hot Jamaican style patty mild. What on earth? It seems to be only one there, so we got item number 1. If you guys want me to come back here and try that, and I'll tell you if it's like a Jamaican patty, then okay, I will. It sure is flaky, but product 1. Wow, that's amazing. Or we'll call it a large. Yo, it is so good to be us. Like, I feel really proud just now being a Jamaican, so that a lot of people like, especially your food or cuisine or vibe, and yeah, that thing is almost sold out, so you know. All right, so these are all American products as I'm seeing here. The Gatorades, the Welshes, the cranberry juice, or I almost said cran water, that's probably a Jamaican thing. But actually I don't think so. But yeah, that's that. Nothing Jamaican here. Going past the cake aisle, more juice, more juice. Forgive me if I miss anything that's in the aisle. That's possible, but just doing a quick rough check. Yeah, not seeing anything Jamaican yet, but we got one product. We got one product thus far. Jamaica, Jamaica. Now, usually most of these supermarkets will have like a Caribbean aisle, you know, so I'm sure we'll find a few of them over there, but so far, no, it's okay. All right. All right, so I remember going over to that side there that I'm passing now. It's the food area where they sell food and stuff. I remember seeing them having like jerk chicken or something like that on the menu, but it wasn't available, so I won't count that. These are just pre-packed American stuff, so yeah. Damn, I'm almost done with one aisle and I don't see nothing else Jamaican, bro. It's not look good. To be honest though, if we only saw patties in here, we'd be good. We wouldn't starve. But we still need to find 10 items. Come on, Publix. Come on, Publix. American stuff, American stuff. Come on. Ha ha ha. You're. What is this? I know some people are gonna laugh about this because it says pork tails. It's kind of weird hearing it said that way because it's not called pork tails. In Jamaica, we call it pigtail, but it says packed in brine. It is from JCB, Jamaican country brand. So, item number, this could easily be 5 points because you know how that go already. But yeah, item number 2. I'm pleased to actually see that, bro. I'm excited to actually see that. One would think that that's something that you have to like go to a specialty store, but it's here and it's very, very well stocked. So you guys can see frozen aisle. Not seeing anything. Let me pass back through this aisle really quick because that's the meat section over there. Nah. All right. All right, so we just saw food. And if you see food, you're gonna want something to drink, right? Yo. Look what I found. Item number 3. I don't know if this one counts because I don't know of this brand per se, JCB. I don't know if they're rebrand. Yeah, it's not like an Anchor or anything like that, but it is strawberry syrup, and me love syrup. Me love syrup. Love syrup. So this would be item number 3. I'm going to allow the drink aisle 3 items because yeah, you're gonna find so many different drink products. So I'm gonna allow the drink aisle 3 items. And you guys can see why. There's so many different drink flavors, so this would be 4 or 5, like, it would have continued, bro. But we would not be thirsty in this supermarket because you have cream soda, like D&G is well supported. Yo, nothing like a pineapple soda. Ting is here. Ting is definitely here. Ginger beer is here. Yo, creams, yo. Sodas in a bottle are top tier. They're definitely top tier. And yeah, this I definitely saw in Colombia while I was there, and some other things here. But yeah, we don't care about that right now. Yeah, so the drink aisle. So I think we already found 2 items. So we're gonna get the drink aisle 3. So let's just put that at 5 items that we have found that are Jamaican. All right. I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite impressed so far. I'm quite impressed, quite happy to see that. And this is not a West Indian store. This is a Publix. This is an American store, but yeah, we're getting that support. That's amazing. All right, so we're in the the pasta and the sauces and stuff like that. Jamaicans, we are not Italiano, no. So I don't think we're gonna find much of our things here. But yeah, in Jamaica, you're gonna find barilla and all of these different things. So we're gonna scoot down, scoot down a little bit. See some tomato paste. I was looking to see if I'm gonna see like some Grace tomato sauce. But I don't think Grace would beat the prices over here because America produces a lot of stuff. Doing my rough scan. So we got 5 items, y'all. 5 items, y'all. Wow. So we're looking and looking and looking. Yeah, I don't think Jamaica gonna win in this aisle, guys. Yeah, this aisle, we're probably gonna starve in this aisle for sure. Not many Jamaican products in here. Spices wise, yeah, popular Badia and stuff like that. I don't think I even see a Maggi or anything like that. So yeah, we definitely not winning here, guys. So let us come around this corner here. Again, we're not winning, guys. It's just the Tostitos, the chips like that. What's this here? Yeah, pure foreign things. But fun fact, a lot of Jamaicans would be happy in this aisle. They would be happy eating these foods because, like it or not, a lot of Jamaicans, we can say we have become Americanized. I'm sure people look at me and they go, oh, you're uptown, or you're this, or you're that. I was born in Falmouth, Trelawney, which is a very country place, still is, you know, very humble beginnings and stuff like that. But as time has progressed, a lot of us have family members who live in the US, and when these people are packing barrels for us, they are going to be packing it with the American products that they have available. And because of that, like, our taste buds have become so accustomed to these flavors that we ended up liking it. And of course, most of our visitors to the island are American people, and we want them also to feel comfortable when they come to our island. So we have these products like the Tostitos, the Doritos, you know, these different things that they can get to try. But I'm almost certain I saw a Jamaican flag somewhere, so I'm going to double back. I'm going to double back. I saw a Jamaican flag somewhere. The Jamaican flag just cannot be hidden, bro. The Jamaican flag just cannot be hidden, bro. I never knew that this was primarily a Jamaican product. So I found pica pepper sauce. And it's funny, I could be talking to you guys on camera, and just in the peripheral of my vision, I could see this small little flag here. Because what, Jamaica with liquor, but with talawa. It's also one of those flags in the world that I think none of the colors are on the American flag or something like that. Yeah, our flag has something synonymous to it. Fun fact, I remember as a kid, in some exams they would say to you, draw the Jamaican flag, and I would be confused, I'm gonna be honest, as a child, trying to figure out, like, where does the black go and which part is the gold and which part is the green? Now, an easy reminder for myself, what I did, I looked at the black as being the eyes. So eyes are usually kind of offset, so I use the black as the eyes, and then of course the gold is always across, you know, because we're clad in gold, and then the green obviously is going to fit where it's supposed to fit. But I believe the real meaning of that is the gold, I think, is for the sun. You guys correct me. I never try to be on these videos to act as if I know everything, because I do not. I'm open to education, but I think the gold represents like the sun that we are blessed with all year round. The green is for, you know, because we're the land of wood and water, so the green is for, you know, the mountains, the hills, and the black, of course, is for us black people, you know, because we are predominantly black people there. Everywhere I travel around the world, people are confused about what language we speak, what the kinds of people that are there. Is it African people? We are Caribbean people of African descent that are there. And yeah, so product number 6. If you love pickled pepper sauce, do drop it in the comments. I think I probably had it once or twice. I don't know. All right, pickled pepper sauce. All right, so we continue our journey. Yeah, like I said, I don't see no Grace, ketchup, or nothing like that. So far as just pickled pepper sauce, that's doing its thing. In Jamaica, we have a lot of Goya brands. I think Goya might be Spanish. I don't know, sounds Spanish for sure. And of course, you know, the Pringles and stuff like that that we have back home. Searching. We're at product 6. I'm quite excited that I was able to find 6. Yo, I was literally looking for like the Grace hot and spicy sausage. I don't like that one, to be honest. It gives me a headache every time, but I was looking for that. However, I did find the Libby's. Libby's, talk truth. If you've ever had a family member that has shipped down sausage or tin stuff, I guarantee you that you've seen that brand, Libby's. They have corned beef here, but yeah. Would we nah, let's not. So we are looking now for, yep, we just found something else. We just found something else. What did we find here? What did we find here? We found Linstead Market Jamaican Ackee. I honestly do not know of this brand, but it looks legit. So product number 7. If you don't want to say that, then we're definitely going to say Grace. Everybody knows Grace back home, so we did find that. So that's amazing. Ackee in salt water. Now, if I'm supposed to be real with you guys, what's that? Is that product number 7? Oh my God, I've lost count. Well, let's just say it's 7. If I'm to be honest with you guys, I don't think I've ever had Ackee in the can before, not to my knowledge, bro. But anyway, if that wasn't 7, if I miscount, let's put another one on it. We see Callaloo. This is definitely a Jamaican thing. I don't think I've seen it anywhere else in the world. So that's definitely going to be 7 or 8. And Surge. This is going to be wow, they're freaking impressing me, bro. What the hell? What the hell? It's going to be 8 or 9. Surge is actually, I never even noticed that was like the name. I thought it was like a Nestle thing. It's not, is it? I don't think so. Anyway, it says product of Jamaica, so this is going to be 8 or 9. And I'm happy that I saw this. This is amazing here. Whoa. This is too impressive, guys. This is 9 or 10. I thought I was not gonna find, like, we just saw corned beef back there. I thought we were not gonna find, like, but bro. And you know what's a fascinating thing? Even though you're gonna see corned beef in a different brand, and you're gonna like, well, we still eat corned beef in Jamaica. Our brands, that flavor profile that those particular brands make these corned beef is distinctly ours. So a Grace mackerel is going to taste completely different than a Libby's or a Brunswick mackerel. Completely different. What else? Easily number 10. This is going to be mackerel, like I was talking about. Grace mackerel in tomato sauce. Butter beans. Bro, I've gone past the number. Coconut milk. Like, bro. All right, here. Bro. Shut the front door. This can't real now. I did not expect to see this. I was actually making a joke about this just now, bro. But what did I just find? Chicken sausage by Grace, bro. If I found the spicy one, that would just put it over the top for me. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right, so we definitely, brother, what is, what? Shirley Big Split. Hey, bro, this is amazing, bro. I think this is pushing it to a different degree now, bro. Because, I mean, I think we could do without this, but still we couldn't do with the cheese crunches. I do this water crackers, cream cracker, bro, cinnamon cracker. Breda. Even here it says bun, bulla. Some of these things are done, so I guess they're waiting for another shipment. Rum cake. If I did ever kiss cake, would be game over. This JC, this brand thing, I've seen the logo before. I know of it, but in terms of in the store, I don't. Let me write it. Yeah, man. That's I can live. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. 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 What more can I say? I didn't even see this, bro. Rooster soup mix. All right. I seen what you guys did here. We wouldn't starve. There's no freaking way. Watcha. All festival we can make. We could make festival. We could run our boat in here. We could live in here easy. How can we be in here and starve? No, our bellies are full. Our bellies would be full of just purely Jamaican products. This is amazing that our culture is it's so large, bro. This for me is kind of weird. Whenever jerk chicken rice mix, like who made it? Whoa. Now this Solomon or Grundy is something that I think is more known by the older folk, I would say. I don't think, like, you know, people born in like the 2000s would easily associate themselves with this, but this is pretty nice. You go to some bars sometimes and they will have something like this with crackers and stuff, and it's pretty cool. I won't say it's the most delicious thing, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm still gonna be looking for some more products, but the question of the day would be, if your family members in the US reach out to you and say, hey, can you bring up some stuff from Jamaica, and they list some of these stuff that you might have seen here, should you get it for them? Like, why are you buying these things for them when they have it accessible? And, like, you know, back home you might not really have the money. Why should you bring up these things? Now, I don't quote me. People in the comments would be better able to give you guys the information. But I don't think in every single state in the US you're gonna have this type of appreciation for Jamaican culture. Like I said, because a lot of Jamaicans actually live here in Florida, you know, so that could be one of the biggest reasons why these products are heavily sought out and sought after. So they're gonna definitely be in the stores, because hell, we're gonna be asking for them every single time. So whenever your family member asks for these things, definitely do make sure that they get them, because for one, if you ask for something back home, whether it's some of the US dollars or some of the Doritos, I mean, we have Doritos back home, but you know, something that is over here, maybe a cell phone or whatever the case is, yeah, I'm sure they're gonna be the ones that will help you out with that. So yeah, still searching. I'm happy. I'm really happy with what I saw just now. Always proud to be a Jamaican no matter where we are, because no matter what, our culture, and I'll never stop saying it, is just an amazing culture. I just really wished that we would really just work together a little bit more and just love each Jamaican, you know, not be bad mind, for example, stuff like that, because it would just make us really more of a powerful culture, more of a powerful country, because we are so small, guys. We are like so small. I said in a previous video, whenever you do see a Jamaican, give them as much support as possible, because quite frankly, we are outnumbered, bro. In most of these countries, we are outnumbered. So, you know, one cocoa full basket, work together and things. So anyway, I'm in the soap aisle right now. We're not necessarily known for making these type of products. We're definitely heavy more on the food stuff. So I'm just gonna breeze through this aisle really quick, see if I get surprised. I doubt it. And yeah, I think I might see just one more product here, maybe one more. And then I'm gonna try to find a liquor store where hopefully we can find some Ray and Nephew. If not, just rum, white rum, and we should be good. Sorry, do you guys by chance sell white rum?
White rum?
Yeah, no? All right. No problem.
That's like you're talking about alcohol.
Yeah.
Only alcohol, we don't have a license here. The only thing we sell is wine and beer, not the liquor license.
Okay.
Some stores have it.
Okay. So, learned something just now. So in terms of alcohol, and I wouldn't even realize that. The things that we saw were just, I think, soft liquor, so like wines and stuff like that, but they don't sell hard liquors. They sell wines and beers, but no hard liquor is sold in stores. So that was good to actually learn that. But anyway, I am here, and I do find, I find a couple stuff. Coconut. This is from the Dominican Republic, but it's good to know that we would have coconut here. And I see mangoes. This is it says Tommy mango. Almost looks like an East Indian, but definitely I know it's a bit chubbier. But this is produced from Brazil. What I have heard, I've heard a couple stories where some Jamaicans will have, like, let's say an East Indian mango tree, and you know that that person has a mango tree. That person is going to make some good money if that mango tree produces, because they are going to, you know, sell it to people who know, and it's going to sell for a nice premium price. If you're fortunate enough and that person is willing to give you one of their prized possessions, then that's amazing. And I think that's one of the things that people miss about being back home, those simple luxuries of just being able to pick a nice tasting mango 9 times out of 10, as opposed to here, where the chances of that, you're gonna get something from a different country or region, Brazil or wherever, where it's not gonna taste the same. And that's something that we have to know. The climate, the temperatures, the shipping of certain things, it does impact the flavor of these things. So that's why people just like when things come from home, where it's just top tier. It's just, yeah. But yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up everything here. I'll take you guys to the liquor store and we'll see if they actually have Jamaican brands like Ray and Nephew. I think Worthy Park also has rums as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna see any. You know, it would be dope if I went, because I'm a big fan of ice cream. If I saw, if you know what ice cream I'll be looking for that's from Jamaica, drop it in the comments. There is only one that is the best ice cream in the world. Even though they have rated it being in the top 10 in the world, I think it's one of the best ice creams in the world. It is smooth, it is flavorful. Some of the flavors are so unique. It's creamy. It literally tastes like you're getting milk off the tit of a cow, but just creamier, more refined and just delicate. You know what ice cream that is. If you do know the ice cream, do drop it in the comments and let me know. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this supermarket, shop around, pay for these things really quick, and I'm gonna try to find the liquor store and see what we can find. All right.
Recording today in the your videographer.
Welcome to Jamrock, camp where the thugs them camp at. 2 pound within a van back, it in your backpack, your knapsack. Yes, Jamaica, Jamaica. Some boy no know this. Them only come around like tourists on the beach with a few clubs. So these bedtime stories and a pose like them they Chuck Norris and them don't know the real hardcore. So when Trenchtown man get mad and pop off a chick. Alright, so I'm in a store called Discount Liquor. And they said that the white rum will be over that side. So let us see if Jamaican white rum will be there. If Jamaican white rum isn't there, I will be disappointed because we're kind of known for rum. It's kind of our thing, like from back in the day. Did I miss it? Maybe I went to the wrong side. So this says rum, okay, so I know I'm in the right aisle. It's pineapple rum, not looking for pineapple rum, looking, see that? See there? Come on, Appleton alphabet here. Yes, sir. All right, and then we have white rum. White rum is here. Yo, Jamaica was large, you know. This costs $22. I'm not sure if it's I remember I used to hear people saying something like the rums directly from Jamaica were like stronger or something like that. That's what they were sought after. I don't know. This says 63%, so I don't know if that fact remains true if I'm saying anything wrong. But it says imported by Campari America, New York. Product of Jamaica. Anyway, found around 22 bucks. I think back home a bottle of rum like this costs after tax maybe $3,000, so go figure, man. I'm at the cashier now. I'm kind of hoping she doesn't ask for my ID. But is it a gray hair then on me here? You know what I mean? Beard. I must be of age, though. I must be of age. I look suspicious. I look very suspicious. Alright guys, so honestly today I had fun. It's been a minute since I've shared my experiences with you guys this often. I'm trying to make sure that I do that more often on this channel. And if it's your first time, thank you for being here and consider subscribing. If you don't, thank you so much for even watching the video. But like I said, I think a lot of us have different experiences and it's amazing how we each see the world differently. Before I would say honestly, when I came to the United States, I would just, I'd just focus on going to the malls and just buying all these name brand things, quote unquote name brand. But it's so funny when you come here, you know, for people who know Jamaican products, our brands are name brands. For example, the Grace Kennedys and so forth. So, you know, it's a good thing to see. Well, the next video, which I'm gonna go do pretty soon, I'm gonna make something that is primarily Jamaican. It's one of the most amazing things I ever had. It's just great, man. Like, I don't know how much I can say that. Drop in the comments if you guys had figured it out based on the ingredients that I bought. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on that video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link. Happy holidays.